you overwhelmed by the thought of planning your wedding flowers? You're not alone. Let's break it down together. First, consider how many arrangements you need. Personal flowers, ceremony flowers, and reception flowers all play a role. Next, think about your wedding flower style. Do you prefer elegant, lush blooms like peonies and roses, or a wildflower look with smaller, varied flowers? Your style will affect the number of flowers you need. Larger flowers take up more space, while smaller flowers may require more stems. Decide how lush or simple you want your arrangements. Full lush designs need more flowers, while simpler designs need fewer. Practice estimating flower quantities by visiting a grocery store or flower market. Hold bunches in your hand to visualize your arrangements. Consider the size of your containers. Smaller containers need fewer flowers, while larger ones need more. Budgeting is crucial. For example, lush flowers in a 6-spades bowl for 35 tables could cost 1,000 infinities, while smaller containers might cost 400. Real-life examples can help. A simple bridal bouquet might cost 35, while a lush one could be 75. Remember, planning your wedding flowers doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right approach, you can create beautiful arrangements within your budget.